I'm gonna show you guys how I get this very simple, clean girl face look. Start off with, I love using a tinted SPF. I love this one from OneSkin, as well as some bronzing drops, and these ones from First Aid Beauty work amazing. I love this look for just like a clean face, don't want to wear any really makeup. Sometimes I wear my face like this to work, or if we're just going to be hanging out by the pool or just running errands and I don't want to do like my full face of makeup, this is perfect. Look at that glowiness. I think the key to having the clean girl face look is good brows and glowy hydrated skin. I get my brows laminated, so all I really do is use this clear gel from e.l.f. It's only a couple dollars, and I just kind of brush my brows up. No, not everybody is into the kind of fluffy brows look, but I am. So I like having fluffy brows. I do that on the other side. I'm gonna come back and fill in some of my sparse spots in a minute. But next, all I like to do is curl my eyelashes. You can wear mascara, of course, but I have pretty long lashes because I use a lash serum. So to be honest, like, that pretty much looks like I have mascara on to me. If I wanted to make them bigger, I could obviously do mascara, but I think this is good. Now that my eyebrows are pretty much dry, I'm just gonna fill in a couple of these little sparse points. This is also from e.l.f. Now just gonna reapply my lip gloss. Honestly, there's so many good lip glosses out there. This one is from Nude Sticks and it works great. And the last thing I'm gonna do, I don't really have a ton of like makeup on, but I am going to set my face with the Dewy Coconut Setting Mist from e.l.f. because I think it just kind of like seals in the deal. It makes me look nice and hydrated. This is it. I think it looks just very glowy, healthy, and I love the clean face look. So that's what we got.